Hey guys, good day. We have this issue with Glock 19 Wii. Okay, this is a Wii Glock 19 that has issue with um, the bolt lock or the slide lock not working. See, it's an empty mag, okay, but it's not locking. Supposedly, if there's no BB, it will do that way. Okay, so right now it's not. Well, we have a fix for this. This is common for Glocks. Okay, so we will change the timing of this gun. Okay, so I will show you how. Okay, stay stuck. So right now we dismantled the slide. We'll remove the slide. Okay, we can see that from this view, this part of the slide lock release, okay, is actually not engaging properly with this part of the magazine. Okay, you see that this will actually push it. You see that it's right now it's kind of intermittent. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, see that, and we remove the magazine and insert it. Right now it's good, it's going up, but sometimes it's not. Okay, I'll show you how. So going back, okay, so right now we will bend this downwards. Okay, this is part only. Okay, and then we will, this spring is actually the spring that holds down the this slide lock release. Okay, so two things. Again, we will bend down this again, and then we will bend this up, the spring, so that it will be weakened in a bit. So right now it's too strong for the magazine follower. Okay, this is the magazine follower. There, this is the magazine follower. Right now it means that the spring of this magazine release is too weak to push this part upwards. Okay, so we will weaken this part here. Okay, so first we will use a long bent, I don't know what this is called. It's a bent long nose. If you have a long nose, I think that's still okay. So this one, we'll just bend this downwards. Okay, see that angle? Let's bend this downwards. bent slightly downwards. Okay. And then we will bend this upwards. Oh, it's released. Okay, I'll be back to you. But that's the concept. Okay, right now, the magazine release spring went down. Okay, I will have this attached again because we already have pushed it upwards. Okay, so I'll be back. So right now, guys, I've already returned the spring over there using a tweezer. Okay, so I pulled it and then install it back to its place. Okay, so we'll see if it can really push upwards. It can already push upwards. Okay, see. Sometimes during manufacturing, this part is not that it's not checked properly if the tension is just right. Okay, so right now we already fixed the timing. That's how I fixed the timing of that part. Okay, see, it can already push upwards. Okay, so we'll install back the slide. You will see. There you go. There you go. So we'll try to, this is actually a loaded magazine. Okay. It's working. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.